Okay, so I am now just about to record for you the beginner's solo jive routine number 3. So here we go. This one was starting with the left foot, mainly leading on the left foot. So we're going to start with a left foot 8 count basic. I'm going to go 1, 2, triple step, 5, 6, triple step. And again, I call the full count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The next step is 2 sailors, drunken sailors, sailor shuffles, going backwards. So I'm going left foot, or 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm then going to do 4 boogie woogie twists or boogie walks forwards, left, right, left, right. Let's do those 2 bars. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 sailors. 1, 2 and twist, 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 twist. Once more, both bars. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 sailors. 1, 2, 3 boogie walks. Okay, that's the first 2 bars. Now the next 2 bars, we're doing something with flicking and back ball change from one corner to the next. We're going to do it all from one right to left corner, and then we're going to do it the opposite way, left to right. Okay, so we're going to reverse it onto the opposite leg. So the first bar, left foot steps across 1, right foot kicks on 2, back ball change with that diagonal change to the other corner. Okay, let's just do that again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 5 and 6, double kick on my left foot, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's still a back ball change, but I'm staying in one direction, which is the left corner where I landed. On the earlier back ball change, I moved across the room from right to left. This one I'm going to have to remember to stay there. So let's do all 8 counts. I'm doing 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to repeat all of that on the opposite foot. So I'm going to step across on the one on the right, 1, first kick on 2, back ball change to the other corner, double kick on my right, 5, 6, back ball change on the spot, 7 and 8. There we go, nice. Let's do both bars together. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Once more, just those 2 bars. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If I've gone a little bit fast, it's because this is a summary routine and this class has already been taught in more depth. So if you have a little look on the video playlists, wherever you're accessing this from on the website, whichever links you're looking on, you will see other jive classes. If you have a look in the beginners jive courses, this has already been taught in the week 2 of the 4-week beginners jive course in more depth with other steps. Okay, so it's just a small summary. Let's do the next 2 bars. Okay. Now, I'm going to do spot turns. Look into my right hand wall. I was already landed over here from that previous move. Okay, I've gone back ball change. Left foot's available, going off to the wall. Left, right, triple step. Right, left, triple step. So it's a bar of 8. We'll do it once more. Left foot going first. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And right at the end, just at the last minute, look to the front because the next bar is at the front. toe heel swivels. So I'm going toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, tit, tum. Let's do the timing, okay, because there's a little hold and a syncopation in that. So left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8, back front, okay? So this is quick. There's no little pause between doing it on the left and the right foot, okay? 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's our toe heel swivel. Okay, now the last bar was just our holding step, our nice little rocking out, which we use, or I use, just before we sort of repeat a routine. Okay, so that little ball, heel, and ball, heel, and ball, heel, and ball, heel, just rocking out on the spot to give us a moment before we carry on with the rest of the routine. You can leave that out if you don't want to put that in, but it does feel a little bit like, oh, I'm just having a moment of calm before we carry on. We're going to do the whole thing from the top. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 sailors, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and walk, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, spot, turn, triple step, spot, turn, triple step, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, hold, tit, tum, rock it out, rock, rock, and rock. This time I'm purely going to count the numbers. I'm not going to say the names of the moves. Haven't got enough breath to say numbers and names of the moves before actually doing the step. Purely on numbers for those of you that like the numbers. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, rock and rock and rock and rock. There we have beginner's solo jive practice routine number 3. Thank you so much. Let me know how you get on. I'll see you in another video.